Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Surya Official. Today I am excited to create an amazing website to celebrate Indian 78 Independence Day. The site will showcase the beautiful Indian flag with a rotating Ashok Chakra. Below that, you will find the text I love my India with a lovely heart icon. Finally, there will be a text animation sliding from right to left with a copyright symbol. So let's get started. So now I am in the Visual Studio Code editor and I have already created a folder name is Indian flag. Inside I have to create one file name is index.html. You can write any name but I just write index.html. For creating this boilerplate I need to write this exclamation mark plus enter. It will create this boilerplate. If you don't know what is HTML, I have created a video explaining front-end technologies focusing specially on HTML and CSS. If you haven't seen yet, I highly recommend you check it for better understanding. The link is in the description box below. So first, we need to create the structure using HTML and then we can style it using CSS. For that, I close this sidebar so you can see easily. Let me zoom it. So I need to show the text Happy Independence Day using this S2 tag Independence Day. After that I need to create a div. So for that I can create the div like this, but I will tell you the best way to create the div. For that what you have to do, dot container, press enter. You can see it will create this div with the class name container. Okay, inside this container again I need a div. So the class name is flag dot flag. Press enter. It will create another div. Okay, so inside this flag we need to create our Indian flag. Okay, so you know in the Indian flag it is tricolor. So first one is saffron, middle one is white and the last one is green. So for that I need to create 3 div. So for that what I have to do, div multiplied with 3, that means div with 3 times, press enter. It will create 3 div. So now I have to write classes for this div. Class, the name is stripe. So the class is stripe. You can give any number of classes. Another class I have to put here. I need 3 classes. I need 3 div. For that I need to write div multiplied with 3. You can see it is created 3 div. Okay. Now I need to write the class. The class name is stripe. Again I have to write another class. You can write any number of class name inside a class. The first class name is saffron and the middle one is white and the last one is green. Inside this white we need a image for showing that Ashok Chakra. Okay, for that I have to write image src. In this src I need to put that image. Okay, so this alt means alternate text Ashok Chakra. So if the image is not there, then this text will display in the browser. I'll show you. You can see in the browser it is showing Happy Independence Day, the text, and here the image is not there. That's why it is showing this Ashok Chakra. So for that I need to download one image. Search Ashok Chakra. Go to the image. I don't want to download this image. If you want to download, then you can download in your system, but I don't want to download. I just right click it and copy this image address and put it inside this src. Control V, paste and save it, and you can see the image is coming here. Okay. After that I need to show the text I love my India. Okay, for that I need to write S3 tag with class name message. Class name is message. So I write I inside this pen. The class name is heart. And here I'll show you how to create the heart. Windows semicolon, you can see this pop-up is coming. You can click this heart icon, but I'll tell you the best way to create this heart. In the HTML we write ampersand hearts semicolon. Okay, you can see in the browser, here it is. Okay, let me zoom it so you can able to see. So here it is. I'll just comment this image so you people can easily see. You can see this heart symbol is coming here. Okay, let me zoom it so you can see easily. So the next one is my India. Again, I need to create one class inside a span India, and the text also India. Okay, save it and check it here. I love my India. So the mark you tag, so the text will come from right to left. For that I need to create one div with the class name marquee text. Marquee text, enter. You can see inside that I need to write the marquee tag. Marquee, inside that I'll show you how to write this copyright symbol. For that we need to write ampersand copy semicolon, channel name code with Surya official. Okay, save it and check it. Here you can see the text is coming from right to left. After that I need to show that 3 heart symbol, which is saffron, white and green. For that what I have to write inside this marquee tag, I need to create span. I need to create 3 span. Span into 3, it will create 3 span. I have to create the class name saffron heart. Saffron heart. Next one is white heart. Okay, and the last one is green heart. Green heart. Save it. I have to create the heart ampersand heart. Save it. Now I copy and paste it here and here. Save it. Now you can see the text code with Surya official with these 3 heart. So our structure is completed. Now I have to focus on designing. Okay, before that I need to uncomment this image so that the image also display here. Okay, for that I need to create one CSS file. The CSS file name is style.css. So before that I need to link it from this head tag. So link href, and I need to call here, and the next property is style sheet. The style is link this place. Okay, I'll go to this CSS file. I will show you side by side so that you can easily understand. This is our HTML code and this is our CSS code. So the first one is, you can see body tag. So inside this body tag I need to write color white. Save it, check it. Here you can't see any text because this background also white and the text also white. That's why. For that I need to change the background color. So the background color is, save it and see. Now you can see the text is visible. So the next one is font family. I want to change the font family. So the font family is Arial. You can see the font family is changed. Next one is, I need to target this H2 tag. H2, here the font size is 40 pixel. Font weight is 900. Okay, you can see this is the text. Now you can see I want to change the text to uppercase letter. For that I need to write text transform. Text transform uppercase. You can see, save it and check it. Here you can see. You can see Happy Independence Day. in the uppercase letter. Text align center. I need to align the text in the center. You can see it is in the center. Now I have to put some color in this text. Background, linear gradient. Inside this linear gradient, I have to put 180 degree. This is the saffron color, and the next one is white color, and the last one is green color. Save it. Okay, see, but I don't want in this color as a background color. I want this text color. For that I have to write -WebKit background clip to text. Okay, you can see it is removed. So how it is applied in the text? For that I have to write another WebKit text fill color is transparent. So now you can see it is coming. The tricolor is coming. Okay, so this is completed. Now I have to target this container class. The container contains the flag. To make the flag in the middle, so we have to write the display property. Display flags, justify content, center and margin 0 pixel and padding 0 pixel. Save it. You can see it is in the middle. I have to target this stripe class. So the stripe is width is 600 and the height is 120 pixel. Save it. So you can see this stripe is for 3 div: saffron, white and green. So in each and every div I need this particular height and width. I need to target this saffron. So here I need to write the saffron, and the background color is same color, saffron color. Save it. You can see the first one is coming. Okay, so the next one is white color. I need to target this white class and write background color is white color. Next I need to target this green class and put this background color as a green color. Save it. See, this flag is coming. Okay, I need to put this Ashok chakra inside that. So for that, how I can put? Now I have to target this image. For that I need to write one class, name is Ashok underscore chakra. Okay, so now I have to target this class. So for that height I have to put 100 pixel and width also 100 pixel. Save it, and you can see the Ashok chakra is in the left side, but I want in the middle. Okay, so for that inside this white class I have to write the display property. Display flags, align item, center. You can see this is vertically center, top and down. I have to place this Ashok chakra into this middle. Okay, for that I have to do justify content center. Save it, check it, boom, it is coming, right? So next step is this Ashok chakra is not rotating, so I need to rotate this Ashok chakra. For that I have to write one keyframe. The keyframe is, let's suppose @keyframe, and the name is in the 0% transform rotate 0 degree. So I need to rotate from 0% to 100%, that is 0 degree to 360 degree. So for that I just write it that 0%. Now after 100% what happened? After 100% transform rotate 360 degree. So now I have to give some animation to Ashok chakra class. So animation is how much second? 10 second, linear, infinite. Save it. So you can see the Ashok chakra is rotating. Okay, this is done. Now I need to target this I love my India. So for that we have a message class. You can see here we have a message class. So I have to target this message class. So inside this message class, I have to change the font size to 28 pixel and font weight to bold. Save it and check it. You can see it is applied. I want this I love my India text to middle of this flag. For that, again I need to do flags box. Display flags, justify content, center, align item, center. So it is vertically and horizontally center. I love my India is stretch. Okay, to overcome that one, I need to give some gap of 10 pixel. Save it. You can see this is working fine. Next, I need to work on this heart. Okay, so for that I have to target this heart class, and the heart is, I need to change the color as a red color. Save it and check it. Now I need to change the font size to 36 pixel. Save it and check it. Now it looks better. Okay, so now I need to change the India color. So for that I have a India class. You can see I have a India class here. So I have to target this India class. Color will be again that saffron color. Save it. See, I love my India. So this is done. Okay, so the next step is I need to target this marquee tag. Okay, so for that we have a class name is marquee text. Marquee text, I need to change the color to pink color by 4. You can see. Next, the font weight is bold. Next, I need to minimize the width. Width is 50% and the margin is 0. Top and bottom 0. And left and right is auto. Now you can see this is coming from here to here. You can see by code with Surya official, it is disappear here. Now I have to target this 3 heart. Okay, so for that I need to target this saffron heart, comma white heart, comma green heart. Green heart. I need to change the font size of 30 pixel. Save it and check it. Wait for a second, it will come. Okay, so first one is not coming. Where? Save it and check it. You can see, just wait for a second, it will come. Here you can see this 3 heart is coming. Okay, the size is little bit more. Now I have to change the color of this text heart. So the first one is saffron color. So saffron heart is color is, I need to put this color saffron color. Save it, check it. For the first color it is coming. Okay, so the next color is white heart. Color is white color, and the last one is green heart and the color is green. Save it, check it. You can see code with Surya official with this 3 heart, saffron, white and green. Now it is completed.
This is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really motivates me. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Code with Surya official. Till then, keep smiling and happy coding. See you in the next video. Happy Independence Day.